Welcome back. So today we are doing a power hour. Y'all know this is one of my favorite videos to do, but I'm on my YouTube creator studio right now and I'm about to read one of the comments from yesterday's video. So this one says, let each one teach one, and hopefully we can at least reach one. I love that. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. And if you're new here, we have started doing positive quotes in the comments. Of course, you can leave other comments too, but if you have a positive quote that you want to share, leave it down below. I got ready for y'all today. But we're doing a power hour. So what is that if you don't know? 1 hour to get as much stuff done as you want. It may not be cleaning. You may need to get your dinner ready, or you may need to pack lunch for your kids and your husband, or other way around. You may need to pack lunch for your kids and your wife, or whatever your relationship is at home. You may need stuff to do for an hour. So we're gonna try to get it all done in 1 hour. Write out that list. Unless you're a free spirit like me, then just wing it. Look around. Y'all can see the kitchen is a little bit messy. Like, this is every day, y'all. Every day. I'm not even gonna go there. I was about to say every day, bro. Not doing it. Not doing it. Anyways, 1 hour. Ready? Let's do this. Let's get some cleaning done. If you're new here, I'm just gonna do it. Subscribe. I haven't said that in a while, but if you like cleaning motivation, subscribe, because that's pretty much all I do over here, in grocery hauls and cooking. So let's go. All right, here it is, 1 hour exactly. I'm starting out in the kitchen, and I will show y'all up close of what I'm working with. We have this window right here, and so a lot of light kind of gets in here, but anyways, hopefully y'all can see everything and it's not super dark.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down.
So I don't know if y'all can see, but I just noticed how dirty this is. It looks like coffee. I don't know what it is, but we are going to tackle this today. And I'll also just go around, like there's some dust and stuff, so I'm just gonna go around and wipe down these cabinets.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're
have 43 minutes left. I am going to sweep the floor, and then I also noticed some spots like in the corners that are really grimy. So I'm going to need to mop as well, and maybe like spot mop. Anyways, sweep and mop the kitchen, and then I'm going to move on to putting a load in the dryer and then putting my sheets in the washer with some towels so I can get all my laundry done for today, and then I won't have to do laundry for a few days, which is exciting. Anyways, okay, let's go ahead and continue. I hope y'all are inspired to do this as well. I just find it so fun because you're like racing the clock, but then you get so much done, like so much done. And it's really good if you're not feeling motivated to do anything, to just set a timer. You know that you only have to do stuff for 1 hour, and the amount of stuff you get done in that hour, by the time you're done, you're gonna feel much better. You may feel a little bit tired, but you're gonna feel better. You're gonna feel like you did something that day, and that's important, like to feel like you've achieved something that day, even if it's just getting out of bed. Y'all know how I am. I reward all the small things in life, you know? So if it's just getting out of bed today, that is what you were able to do, then you achieve something, okay? So I know I have dealt with depression, I have dealt with anxiety. I am really grateful right now that I'm not dealing with those things, but I know how tough it is to deal with those. So if it's just getting out of bed, get out of bed. Let me know in the comments if you got out of bed today, and I want to give you like an internet hug. So let's go ahead. I've chatted enough, and sweep the floor and mop the floor.
Never coming down.
Don't y'all judge my chairs. I did not do a good job, and also I messed up. The other day I put something wet here, and it set long enough that it took up like whatever polyacrylic or urethane I had on here, and it scratched the table. So I don't know if I want to repaint the table just a solid color. It used to be black, so I don't know if I want to paint it black or if I just want to get a nice tablecloth and just put a tablecloth over it, you know what I'm saying? Also, these chairs are still black because I am lazy and I did not paint them. I painted the two and I was like, I'm done. Anyways, so maybe I'll just paint it black and get a tablecloth. Get a pretty tablecloth. Something bright. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Also, these chairs are super dusty, so I'm going to go get my duster thing first. Dust the spider webs off of these chairs and then sweep, because there's no point in me doing it the other way around.
I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Every day, what can I do to make you mine? Just look my way, I see you try to be cool, but it's not you. I'm the one that you want. So try me, babe, what
23 minutes left, so now I'm going to get the clothes out of the washer, put them in the dryer, and then I've got some sheets down here that need to go in the washer.
About everything, can feel this way on my own. You see it too. I'll go ahead, keeping on. I won't fold.
Alright, so it's probably super loud because my fan is on. I'm burning up, y'all. Got 18 minutes left, and as you can see, I did not put up the clothes from yesterday, so that is what we're gonna do now. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I'm tired and I only have a certain amount of time to get things done, just like in this case it's a power hour. So I just pick up where I left off the next day.
I'm gonna change your mind about me. I gotta make you see.
12 minutes and 47 seconds left. What I'm going to do with this time is get the kitchen back in order from where we put everything up so we could mop and sweep, and then I will probably be done. But if we have a little bit of time left over, I'll try to get to the living room and just pick up whatever trash is in there, which we'll probably be able to do. So let's do it, shall we?
I keep on thinking back on it, when we escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast, I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. I know you think of it too.
Y'all hear my dryer going? Alright, y'all, that is it for me. I have 3 minutes left. I'm sweaty and I'm ready to sit down. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and I will see you back here real soon for another video. Bye!